Hi everybody, welcome to the Knitting Turnpike. Welcome to the Knitting Turnpike. My name is Gina Pike. I'm so happy that you're here today. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a yarn acquisition video. I want to share with you guys a company I found out of Germany called Pick the Yarn. I found these people on Etsy and they sell cotton yarn, the gradient cakes, and again, they're out of Germany. I bought a few skeins from them and I wanted to share them with you. I thought they were a little bit different than the cotton skeins I'm seeing on some other sites, and you'll understand why in just a second. Let me open this box here. I hope you all are doing well today. Ooh, well, nice. All right, this is probably what I should have shown. This was in their thing. There's a little note on here, a really nice note, and these are wrapped. Oh, you get lots of little stickers too. How nice. These are wrapped individually, which I love. One of my pet peeves is when I get yarn that I've purchased and it's in a box and it's not wrapped up either by paper or in some sort of plastic. It's just in the cardboard. I can't stand that. Drives me nuts. But this is all, well, these are all nicely wrapped, which is awesome. Let's just pick one. Go for it. Again, these are all cotton gradients. I think they're all 50-50. 50 cotton, 50% acrylic. Oh. Ooh. And this is, let's see what she says. This is, oh no. Okay, this is a little bit different than what I just said. This is, let me show it. This is a red yarn. As you can see, it's got gold sparkles. When I saw this, I thought, Christmas. I have an upcoming Christmas project I do every year, an Advent project, and I thought this would be amazing to use for this. And I've never used a cotton-based yarn. This is 43% cotton, 43% acrylic, 3% polyester, 5% polyamide. Is what it says, and this is 1,000 meters, which is 1093 yards. And that's the color. I believe it's red. Oh, is there a number for the color? Red 135. And look, she's got a charm to help you find the starting point, which is really nice. I just think this is such a beautiful red, and I wanted a solid color. So she has not just gradients, she has some solid colors, and she has some with sparkles. And that's kind of why I wanted to buy from her, to see what they look like. So that's the first skein I bought, and her name is Anna Sakowska. Again, pick the yarn. Okay, I have two more skeins to show you guys. Next one is a solid color as well. I want to show that one last. Let me just show this next one. This next one is a gradient. All these have sparkles, and that's why I bought from her, because she had the skeins with sparkles. This is the next skein I want to show you. This is let's see, 4-ply cotton yarn. This is Leonie number 04. It's got 43% cotton, 43% acrylic, 3% polyester, 5% polyamide. very soft, and look at the gradients with the sparkles. It has some pinks to the blues, to the light blues, to the darker blues. So pretty. I am so happy with this. I was hoping it would look like the picture. It looks exactly like the picture I saw when I bought it. That is so pretty. Look at this. This is 1,000 meters, which is 1093 yards. Love it. All right. Now the next one I bought is another gradient. It's a subtle gradient. It's got the same breakdown. It's a 4-ply. This one's called Fairy Lights. And let's see. There's the charm, a little dove. So sweet. To help find the center. Now this one is called Fairy Lights. This is 1,000 meters, 1093 yards, 4-ply cotton yarn. It's got cotton acrylic mostly. Then it's got a little bit of polyester and a little bit of polyamide, and then this gold thread in there. Or I'm sorry, silver. This is silver thread. And as you can see, there is a gradient. It's a little bit lighter purple, like a lilac, and it goes in a little bit darker, and then there's like more of a blue. And then there's a dark purple. Oh my goodness, this is just as pretty as it was on the website. Oh, this is so beautiful. Again, this one is called Fairy Lights, plus a metal thread is what it says on the label. And I wanted to get some with some sparkles in them, and I saw this store, and these are just beautiful. So I thought I'd share them here. I hope that you guys have enjoyed seeing these. Again, sometimes it's worth taking a chance from some of the stores on Etsy. You might find some really amazing yarns. I've loved all the yarns I've bought lately. I love the yarns from Hobie. Those are nice 100% cotton gradients. These are not 100% cotton, but they have the sparkles. And then I love Bramblewood yarns as well. I will say I did buy another gradient from them and had it sent to a friend of mine. I'll show a picture of it. It's a rainbow gradient, and he said that the colors in this are actually so beautiful, even more beautiful than Hobie. I'm just saying, going by what he said, but I think they are really pretty, and I do think I want to buy some more yarn from her. Her shipping was really reasonable. I've noticed that a little bit of the shipping has gone up lately for some of these cakes. That's kind of why I've been looking at Hobie and this store, just because their shipping was a little bit reasonable. And it really didn't take that long to get these from Germany. So I think they're all really beautiful. And they got sparkles. Anyway, thank you guys for letting me share this. I hope you find some new yarns you might love to buy or purchase or try. And I hope y'all have a lovely day. Thank you for being here. If this is your first time to watch my videos, I like to talk about knitting and crochet and yarn and what all that entails, and stitches and tutorials, and just we would love to have you join us. For those of you who watch my videos from time and time again, thank you. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I hope you all have a lovely day. I will see you all very, very soon. Take care.